Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So if you are finding a right kind of fabric for your lehengas, skirts or gowns, then this video is for you. To make these kind of dresses, you need to use the stiffer kind of fabrics like organza net fabric. You can use silk fabrics also goes very well with these kind of dresses, or you can use taffeta kind of fabrics. So these are the stiffer one and give a natural flair to your dresses instead of using the chiffon, georgette or the satin silk kind of fabrics, because you can use them but you need to put a lot of can and linings inside them, which is not comfortable to wear also, and they are much heavier than the natural one. So I prefer to use these kind of natural stiffer fabrics, which will give ordinary flair to your dresses, and it will consume less fabric instead of if you use a satin silk fabric that will you need to use more fabric for them to give a flair. So I hope this tip is helpful and see you in the next video.